back, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you decided to stop by today. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some cleaning motivation. I need to deep clean my refrigerator out so bad. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Emily. I am a stay-at-home homemaker. I've been married to my husband for 3 years and we are expecting our first little baby boy due December 7th. I make videos on lifestyle, cleaning, just a lot of different topics, homemaking, things like that. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave so you can be a part of my YouTube family. Also, if you haven't already, you can follow me on Instagram. I always leave those handles down below in the description box. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll just get more of like the behind the scenes, more of a look into my day-to-day life, and more thoughts that don't necessarily make it over here to my channel. So make sure you check that out. If you enjoy this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and clean out my refrigerator. So the first thing I decided to do was go ahead and just take everything out. I feel like you can't really deep clean something unless you remove everything inside of it. So I go ahead and take everything out, plus there was a lot of things in there that needed to be thrown away anyway. But I plan to take out every single shelf and just clean out the entire thing. So you can see this is completely embarrassing, but there was cheer wine that spilled in the refrigerator. There's a drawer full of bacon bits in there that I don't know how they got in there. Butter crumbs, just stuff everywhere. This really needed to be done. I took all of the shelves, drawers, and little cubby holes and just cleaned them in my sink with warm soap and water. They all needed to be scrubbed out. There was sticky stuff in them, crumbs in them. I just cleaned them all out really well and set them to dry. mixture I'm spraying it down with now is a mixture of 1/3 alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and the rest water. And I'm just spritzing the whole inside down. This has some essential oils in it, so it makes it smell better. And it really took the grime right off the refrigerator walls, and it was so satisfying. I got everything put back together now. The kitchen is clean. The refrigerator is nice and pretty and shiny again. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you enjoyed, like I said, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up so that I know you guys want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.